Hey guys, thanks for checking out our vegan meal plan. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you get in the box, as well as show you an example of what a meal in the package looks like, as well as on a plate. All of our shipments, vegan or otherwise, come in a refrigerated case and we ship nationwide to all 50 states. Here's an example of one of our vegan meals in the actual package itself. This one is a lentil bean burrito bowl. It comes fully vacuum sealed and will have everything from the name of the meal to the expiration date, the ingredients that are included, the calories and macronutrients, as well as the heating instructions. All of our food, including the vegan meal plan, arrives fully cooked and ready to eat when it shows up at your doorstep. The trays themselves are 100% recyclable. The food is vacuum sealed so it stays fresh for up to 14 days in the refrigerator or 6 months in the freezer. And the trays are actually made with specialized nano perforations, so you can microwave it directly in the tray or remove it and cook it on a skillet, which is my personal preference, or in the oven or a toaster oven. The film itself, we also use some advanced technology that allows you to peel it off the actual package. It's a little bit more difficult if you haven't microwaved it, but with some elbow grease you can get the seal off all of the packages themselves. I've also got an example of what one of our vegan meals looks like plated. As you can see, it's a lot of food for not a whole lot of calories, which is fantastic for people that are looking to lose weight. In addition to that, this is an example of what one of our boxes look like. If you want to check out a full unboxing, we've got a video of it below so you can see me going through each one of the packages and explaining all of the packaging itself. All of our food, vegan meal plan or otherwise, is 100% USDA organic, gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. And any proteins that we use are designed specifically for the vegan meal plan to try and maximize the amount of protein that you're getting. All of our meals are also macronutrient balanced, and we come up with some really creative recipes like some sweet potato pancakes and various other ones that I've come to love over the years. If you have any questions about the meal plan itself, feel free to reach out to customer service through chat, phone, email, or social media. Thanks, guys.